We are on our way to Cairns today. We have all of our luggage and we're just getting some coffee now and then heading to the airport here soon. Woo! That boy is zooming.
Everyone here is literally the kindest person I've ever met. Like,
yeah,
it's so sweet.
They're so kind.
We've encountered 2 people and everybody's like,
we love him. Yeah. I'm going to the rainforest today, and you're not even looking at me.
yay.
No crocodiles. Yay. We have yet to see any cassowaries.
I don't think we're going to, honestly. I don't think we're going to, honestly. I don't think we're going to, honestly.
Your fault that I had to see that giant spider.
How's that my fault?
Beats per minute. They can hold their breath for 3 hours underwater. Bodies covered in sensory glands like a shark. In the water, crocodiles can feel vibration up to 1 kilometer away. A lot of hunting is feeling for vibration.
Hier komt dat. Hier komt dat. Oh, hier komt dat. Serieus? Oh, he's coming.
Oh my god, he's gonna eat me, guys.
No, he's not.
Oh my goodness.
Keep your arms in the boat. You don't have your arms hanging up.
If you're wondering what the nightlife is like here in Cairns,
It's me falling asleep and then overeating McDonald's.
it's thinking that we have an oven, buying a pizza to put in the oven, only to find out when we came home that we don't have an oven.
Stupid. You can't take a video now. I'm sleeping.
Now is time.
No.
I have to make up for what I didn't get.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, I'll participate, but only from here.
Okay, dude. Hi.
Hi.
We snorkeled in the Great Barrier Reef today.
And now we're tired.
We're dead and we're tired, and I didn't record anything because I didn't take my camera with me. So I have a couple of pictures that I can put in here, but just know it was a good time and we enjoyed being in the moment, right?
Yeah, we're living life in the moment.
That's what I just said.
I didn't know how else to word it.
you were going strong. I was like, yeah, that's gonna flow, and then
It didn't. I'm sorry.
it's okay. Why is this zoomed? Maybe it's not, I'm just ugly.